Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. You know that feeling, right? That itch to just get out there and see the world? Today we're diving into how you can travel the world without needing to win the lottery. We're talking about making those travel dreams a reality, all while keeping your bank account happy. Stick around because I'm about to drop some serious knowledge bombs on you. Amazing tips and tricks I've picked up over the years to make traveling affordable. Trust me, you don't want to miss this. Alright, before we even think about booking a flight or packing a bag, we gotta start with the foundation, the master plan. First things first, set a budget. Get real with yourself, break down your expenses, and figure out how much you can realistically afford to spend. Next up, decide where you want to go. Research different destinations and compare costs to find one that fits your budget. Once you've got a destination locked in, it's time to start thinking about flights, accommodation, and activities. Websites and apps like Skyscanner, Google Flights, and Hostelworld are lifesavers for finding deals on flights, accommodation, and more. And don't forget about travel blogs and forums. Those are gold mines of insider tips and advice from fellow budget travelers. They'll point you to the best local eats, off-the-beaten-path attractions, and everything in between. Let's talk about where you'll be resting your head after a long day of exploring. Hotels can eat a huge chunk out of your budget, so let's explore some alternatives. Hostels. These are a backpacker's best friend. They offer cheap, basic accommodation, often in dorm-style rooms. The best part? You'll meet tons of like-minded travelers from all over the world. Airbnb, this has been a game changer for budget travel. You can find everything from shared rooms to entire apartments at a fraction of the cost of hotels. Couchsurfing. This one's for the truly adventurous. You basically sign up to stay on someone's couch for free. Depending on your destination and travel style, you might find that camping, volunteering at a hostel, or even house sitting can offer incredibly affordable or even free accommodation options. Alright, let's talk about everyone's favorite part of traveling: food. But here's the thing. Eating out for every meal can drain your funds. So let's explore some strategies to keep your taste buds happy and your wallet even happier. First up, embrace the local cuisine. Ditch the fancy tourist traps and seek out those hole-in-the-wall eateries where the locals go. Not only will you get a more authentic culinary experience, but you'll also save a ton of money. One of the best ways to save on food is to cook your own meals whenever possible. Hostels and Airbnbs often have kitchens, so stock up on groceries at local markets and whip up some simple but delicious dishes. Street food, my friends, is your new best friend. It's cheap, it's delicious, and it's a great way to experience the local culture. Pack your snacks. I'm talking nuts, granola bars, fruit, anything to tide you over between meals and prevent those hangry meltdowns. Flights. They're often the biggest expense when it comes to travel, but they don't have to be. With a little bit of know-how and some strategic searching, you can score those coveted cheap flights. Flexibility is key. Being open to flying on weekdays, during the off-season, or to alternative airports can often save you a significant amount of money. Become a master of flight search engines. Skyscanner, Google Flights, Momondo. These are your new best friends. Use them to compare prices across multiple airlines and dates to find the best deals. Set up price alerts so you'll be notified when fares drop on your desired route. Travel rewards programs are your secret weapon. Sign up for airline and hotel loyalty programs to earn miles and points that you can redeem for free or discounted flights. Now that you've got the tools to plan ahead, find affordable accommodation, eat like a local, and score cheap flights, let's talk about choosing destinations that won't max out your credit card. Southeast Asia. This region is practically a rite of passage for budget travelers. From the bustling streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Bali, Southeast Asia offers an incredible diversity of experiences at incredibly affordable prices. Eastern Europe. Craving a European adventure without the hefty price tag of Western Europe? Eastern Europe is calling. Countries like Hungary, Czech Republic, and Poland offer a rich history, vibrant cultures, and delicious food, all at a fraction of the cost of their Western counterparts. Central America. If pristine beaches, lush rainforests, and ancient Mayan ruins sound like your kind of paradise, then Central America should be on your radar. Countries like Nicaragua, Guatemala, and Belize offer incredible value for money, with affordable accommodation, delicious local cuisine, and plenty of opportunities for adventure. South America. From the towering peaks of the Andes Mountains to the vast salt flats of Bolivia, South America is a continent of dramatic landscapes and vibrant cultures. And the best part? It's surprisingly affordable, especially if you stick to local transportation and food options. And there you have it, your roadmap to traveling the world without emptying your bank account. Remember, traveling on a budget isn't about sacrificing experiences. It's about being resourceful, adaptable, and open to new possibilities. Thanks for watching. If you found these tips helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know in the comments where you're planning your next adventure. Safe travels, and see you in the next video.